Dear students, academic beings, Ms. Jaypriya and I welcome you to this orientation session, guide you along the academic path of your college life. To ensure each student gets an optimal educational benefit, college follows a choice-based credit system for all academic programs. What is credit? Credit is a unit of measurement for the quantum of work required of a student in a particular course. The course varies from 1 to 5 credits. A student earns a credit assigned to a course if she successfully completes all the requirements of the course. To earn a degree, a student should have completed the requirement of the curriculum from Part 1 to Part 5 for the undergraduate level. Part 1 comprises of foundation course language. A student should compulsorily register and complete one of the course either in Tamil, Hindi, Sanskrit or French under Part 1. Part 2 consists of Foundation Course English. The student will be allotted into one stream by the Department of English and they have to earn the credit in that stream. Part 3 comprises of core courses, major, allied, interdisciplinary course and also major electives. A student should mandatorily register and complete all these courses. Part 4 consists of general electives, general core, soft skills, and value education. A student should register and earn a total of 26 credits. Part 5 comprises of student training program and social awareness program. Students should register and complete earning 4 credits throughout the degree program. The minimum requirement of credit for BA, BSc, BSW is a total of 149 credits. Part 1 and Part 2, 24 credits. Part 3, 95 credits. Part 4 and 5, 30 credits. The minimum requirement for undergraduate students of BCom, BBA and BCA is 149 credits. Part 1 and Part 2, 12 credits. Part 3, 107 credits. Part 4 and 5, 30 credits. Minimum requirement for BBA degree program is total of 189 credits. Part 1 and Part 2, 18 credits totally. Part 3, 141 and Part 4 and 5, 30 credits. Minimum requirement of credits for BWalk degree program is 180 credits. Part 1 and 2, 32 credits. Part 3, 23 credits. Part 4, 125 credits. This year, the college has introduced BCom Honors. The minimum requirement for this course degree program, Part 1 and 2, 12 credits. Part 3, 146 credits. Part 4 and 5, 14 credits. A total of 172 credits should be earned for this course. Summing up, we get 149 credits for BA, BSc, BCom, BSW, BBA and BCA degree program. 189 credits for BBA degree 4-year program. 180 credits for BWalk degree program. And for BCom Honors, 172 credits. The students will be evaluated continuously through different modes of assessment called components, which will be informed by the course teacher. Only one centralized assessment test for 50 marks will be conducted the duration of 90 minutes. It is mandatory that each student should take the test. At the end of the semester, one continuous assessment improvement test will be given by the course teacher the duration of 90 minutes for 50 marks. The internal marks will be any one of the CA plus the third component average. Evaluation of student is based on both continuous assessment and end semester examination held at the end of each semester. Theory 50 percentage continuous assessment and 50 percentage of end semester is taken, and for practical also it is 50 from continuous assessment and 50% from the end semester examination. For the end semester examination, the student should have a minimum attendance for each course as 85%, and continuous assessment requirement in each course is mandatory. Examination fees should be paid on time. Minimum marks required for passing in the end semester is 40% for each course. So to earn a credit, a student should get an aggregate of continuous assessment and end semester examination of 40%. Each course has a code for the smooth conduct of the program. For example, 19 ZL MC IV 14. 19 represents a year of syllabus revision. ZL represents zoology department. MC represents a major core. IV represents a subject core. In particular, it is titled as invertebrata. 1 represents a semester and 4 represents the credit. For practical, the same thing we have, except for P1, it is practical 1, P2, it is practical 2, and so on. All syllabus are available in a college website, stellamariscollege.edu.in. So you're free to go and verify and see the syllabus for yourself. Dear students, follow all these criteria correctly by completing all the requirements. So start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. And pass out as a successful graduate from this esteemed institution. All the best, girls. Thank you.